Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Tashkent, was good time spent. If that's your intent, oh, 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 Tashkent. Going all around in Tashkent. Yeah, it's Tashkent.
Okay, I'm starting out on this street, Taras Shevchenko, and I found the Irish pub, and I heard that this street has a lot of like Irish pubs and like kind of trendy hipster cosmopolitan whatever, which we're gonna see what it's all about. So this is going to be video number 2 of Tashkent, and we'll give you an idea what this street looks like. I think it's a little bit early, it's still daytime, and it's about 95 degrees out in this time of year. But anyways, we're going to check it out and see what we can find. Okay, here we are on the Silk Road. So I got my hat from the China side, but I also went to Tashkent. So this one is a street in Tashkent that is, it's kind of like recommended as a place to get some good meals and some good restaurants. More upper class. So I went through it in the daytime, and I also went at nighttime. I didn't film at night, but it's there wasn't a lot of people at nighttime either. I went kind of late at night, maybe 11 p.m. So maybe you have to hit the sweet spot, maybe like 7 p.m. around dinner time or something like that. But anyways, you do get to see what's on the street, the general feel of it. So, you know, if you're like me, I kind of wanted to see what it was like, and this video kind of gets you an idea of what it is like. So there it is up on the map. And let's just get into it as if you were there yourself. So let's check out a little slice of Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Okay, so we're gonna start here, and we'll just go down and we'll just see what we can see. But already it looks, you can see some places that people sit outside, and some apartments that are above as well. So we're gonna get an idea for it. Looks like you can sit outside as well. So we're gonna stroll down, and I'm gonna guess even in the evening there's probably gonna be a lot busier. Here's a pastry shop. Okay. So this is this particular street. I'll label it accordingly, but let me tell you a little bit about Uzbekistan. So Tashkent is the biggest city. It's actually the biggest city in Central Asia as well. 2.5 million people, maybe a little higher, 2.8 million, something like that, depending on what census data I'm looking at. I guess it keeps growing. I guess they're also trying to bring in a lot of students from Central Asia, so that probably adds to it. And then this particular street is something that I was getting recommended as a place to visit that might reflect some of the, some of the well, it's kind of quiet right now. We're going to go down a little bit further. We'll see how much it changes. Okay, so we got a row of restaurants. We have a Chinese one, Bamboo Dim Sum. Then we have some cafes as well. And we're going to just walk down the street and kind of see what else we can see. That side looks kind of empty, but this one has all the cafes, and here's a craft beer right here. I do wonder how this would be different in the evening. But yeah, there's a craft beer, so we'll see what else we can see around here as well. So I just went in the alleys a little bit. There's like a burger place, like a little thing, samosa. There's a craft beer one as well. And so it looks like there might be stuff in the insides of these as well. So we're gonna go back out this way and then go down that way. Okay, an Asian restaurant, Yapona Mama, is that a Japanese one? But it looks like they do have places to, the person parked up here. travel. They still have travel agencies. Sanibel Cafe. So we are kind of seeing what some of this stuff looks like, and I think it's a little bit too early. Sanibel Cafe. It's funny they can park all the way up there. I wonder how they do that. But anyways, looks like we have a little bit of a stretch, so we're gonna get down on the other side of the street and film more. Looks like we got more stuff down there. Nice balcony. Is that a Dodge Dart? Wow. Maybe they just keep it. Oh, the tires are all, they're not flat. See, I was gonna think maybe it's like a, so there's a scooter share program here, much like when I saw in Almaty, I saw scooters everywhere. So it looks like they have that culture here too. Okay, we're gonna go across there and keep on going down that way. Okay, we just crossed the street. And I also just kind of noticing that this right here blocks all the cars. They can actually park there, but they can't drive through here, so this might be a pedestrian street. So we're gonna continue and see what other businesses and such we have. I think we're gonna get a lot more people in this area. So we got, let me see. I don't know if these are restaurants. Looks like they're restaurants, but there's also a market there that we just saw as well. So this actually looks a lot busier than where I started at. So this is probably where I should have been at to start, but still. Just to give an idea of a different part of Tashkent. Usually when I see YouTubers, I usually see, I don't see this. You got some music that might affect the video. Let me turn that off. Oh, maybe I'll get past it here. Places to sit. I guess this one is not open yet. Mad Lads Coffee. Let's see what else we got. It's a Miniso. And some art sculptures. Wendy's. There's a lot of Wendy's. I saw Wendy's at the, I was at Tashkent City Mall. I didn't film it because it's in the mall. But the Tashkent City Mall is quite cosmopolitan. Got like a lot of like this hamburger right here will cost about $7. So you know, like but to put it in comparison, it would be like $1. Hello, how are you? To put it in comparison, it'll be like $1 for a ride, like in the Uber equivalent. So a hamburger meal is like $7, right? So I think, you know, if you're eating that, you're not really on the local economy. You're probably got some money from some other wealth in some other way. Lots of music everywhere. Fish cafe, wine shop. Let me see what else. So it looks like our pedestrian street's going to end right here. So we're going to go down there in a minute. And then we're going to see Gyros. Then we're going to go down this way. And so yeah, I think at nighttime maybe this will change. There's actually places you can sit outside all the way down. So this is one big pedestrian street. More restaurants down that way. And then I think there's more down that way. So maybe we'll walk down that way too and just kind of see what we can see here. There's a restaurant. Tim's. There's more down that way. This is like cookies. Then we have more outdoor dining, so actually I wonder if that dining is like in the wintertime. Let's see what else we got. Toys. So Toys Urban. Keep on walking down. Oh, there's a hotel right there, Manor Hotel. That might be a good location to stay if somebody wanted to stay right in this area and see what it's like in the evening in this area. But I think there's other stuff to also see in Tashkent as well. But that could be one right there, the Manor Hotel. Okay. Pink Island. Okay. Love. It's like $1. This is like $7. Maybe this is community. $3.50. It's like 50 cents. US dollars. I think we're gonna be coming to an end now, so so maybe you get an idea. I might come by in the evening to film again, but I don't know. Sometimes if a lot of people are socializing, I don't really want to film them. Especially, I don't know if they'll be drinking in the street. It looks more like just a restaurant street just to hang out. We did see that one Irish bar at the beginning, but anyways, that kind of gives you an idea of another slice of Tashkent nonetheless.